Friends, what I'm so excited to tell you about is a practice that made one of the most significant differences in my life as a woman that's 53, I'm in midlife, and I'm living vibrantly with autoimmune. Healing Qigong is potent, wise, gentle, powerful, nourishing medicine. It is medicine in motion. I attribute my great energy to the practice of Healing Qigong. We created this program for people just like you, for people who care deeply, for people who give vastly and who are ready to come home to themselves. This program is for women in midlife who feel tired, disconnected, and overwhelmed in their bodies. And this training is for professionals, yoga teachers, Reiki practitioners, coaches, healers, those of you who are ready to give more from a place of repair and nourishment, not from burnout. You know, about half of the participants and graduates of the Healing Qigong Immersion and Level 1 certification, they participate in this for their own immersion, for their own well-being. The other half of our participants and graduates are professionals. They're yoga teachers, Reiki practitioners, and energy healers. But here's the truth. Many of us are still guiding others from a dysregulated state, exhausted, overwhelmed, and silently burning out. This immersion is a path of personal repair. It's a place to restore your energy without pushing, forcing, or bypassing. You're going to learn Qigong practices that tone the vagus nerve. They move stuck energy and create real physiological safety in the body. And once you've experienced that shift in your own body, you'll be able to guide others from lived experience, not from theory. And this is where the magic happens, not just in what you teach, but how you show up.
Healing Qigong is a gentle, trauma-informed movement practice that uses breath, sound, and stillness to regulate your nervous system and replenish your energy. Absolutely no experience is necessary, and the practices can be done standing, seated, or lying down. As a certified yoga and Qigong teacher, I have spent the last 30 years studying in many different schools of yoga and many different schools of Qigong. And we've put together practices that have maximum benefit for your health. These practices help create balance and harmony in your life by clearing stress and tension from the body, by allowing your emotions to move, to be felt, to be witnessed, and by generating that calm, clear mind that is so valuable in today's busy world.
We've had the great honor, the privilege of guiding thousands of students through this Healing Qigong program. They attribute their full participation and the results they experience in this program as the turning point to lasting well-being. We have students again and again reporting that they finally feel at home in their bodies once again, that their energy and their vitality has been restored, and they actually now know how to navigate the bumps in life that are inevitable. It so efficiently nourishes you. It's like you can get gas station cell phone chargers, or you can get the good one from Apple. I've tried to charge my phone with from the gas station, that it's like an hour later, my phone is not all that charged. And then there's the charger that I got from Apple. Within 15 minutes, my phone is charged again. That's Healing Qigong. It's not to say your yoga practices or the other things you turn to don't nourish you. Healing Qigong does it swiftly. Healing Qigong does it efficiently. And for those of us navigating everything from burnout and overwhelm in life due to working so hard, giving to others, caregiving our families, experiencing midlife, navigating the challenges of autoimmune, where Healing Qigong is the authentic solution. I'm sharing with you what made a radical difference for me in my life. I've been a teacher in the world of psychology, spirituality, yoga, and Qigong for almost 25 years. If you're still watching this, it means that we have some kind of resonance. I hope, okay? This is an 8-week immersion. You also get to spend a whole year with us participating in all the live sessions that we offer in a year. And I just want you to know, you can complete it in as short as 8 weeks.
The Great Energy Healing Qigong course is a combination of on-demand modules and live taught lessons. On the live taught side, we have Qigong practice sessions several times a week, live on Zoom. And we also have live lectures and Q&As, so you can bring all your questions, connect with your fellow classmates. All of these live sessions are recorded so that you can take the replays. And then we have contributing educators, experts in the area of health and healing, who all have contributed substantial workshops into the course.
Some participants opt to move on to receive their certification. What does that afford you? It affords you the confidence and the skill set to then share these incredible Healing Qigong practices with your clients, with your students, in a one-on-one or group setting. If something in you right now is resonating, is saying yes, please listen. Please listen to this. This program may be one of the wisest, kindest gifts you could ever give yourself.